When I adopted Rusty from the Dallas Animal Rescue Service, I thought it would be easy for me. But the first night, he wouldn't eat, wouldn't drink, wouldn't even move. He just curled up in a corner like he'd given up. My son asked if he's broken. Soon we found out he had mange. I panicked and called the rescue service. They showed up at our door with medicine and clear instructions. They didn't leave us alone. Money got tight. Vet visits, food, shampoo. My husband whispered, "We can't afford this." I almost gave in. But again, the rescue service stepped in. They gave us food coupons, recommend a low-cost vet, book a free training class. Rusty was too comfortable until he destroyed my boots, I yelled. He cowered, my daughter cried, and for the first time I thought, maybe this was a mistake. I called the rescue service. But the trainer taught us patience. Slowly, Rusty got better. Then one night, Rusty bolted out the door. We searched for hours. Nothing. I called the rescue service again. At 3 a.m., my phone rang. "We've got him." The rescue service had been driving around, searching, until they found him hiding under a porch. That's when I realized they weren't just saving Rusty. They were saving us too. Rusty's still with us, healthy, loved. He's now part of our family. And I'll always be grateful to the Dallas Animal Rescue Service. Here comes the end of part 2. Hope you enjoyed watching. For this video to reach others like you, we do need your support.
Please like, share, comment, subscribe.
And don't forget to turn on the notification bell, so I get to notify you when I post part 3 of this video. Thanks for watching.